If you are a fan of speed, then it is always good to go for an electronic sewing machine. You must know how to use a foot pedal in the right way. Now I show you the real danger of not understanding the speed of a machine and how to control it. In a manual sewing machine that is hand operated or a feet operated sewing machine, you don't need a foot pedal. But when there is need for speed, then it is advisable always go for an electric sewing machine. You get a foot pedal to operate the machine. A sewing machine foot pedal is something like a car accelerator or a car speed controller. Machines may be different, like this full shuttle umbrella machine. This is industrial use and it is a speed monster. And with this machine I have this type of foot pedal. Generally I show you the length of this wire. This wire is only this long. Okay, so if you have a switchboard elsewhere or very far, then you need to add additional wire. This is already torn off, so I'm not using it, but I used it for about 15 years and it's in good condition even now, so it can be used even now. So this is one type foot pedal. It's very good quality. It can be opened from here, and whenever there is any trouble you can fix it yourself at home without any troubles. So this is one type for this one. This is a plastic foot pedal, and this one is also the same, this type. This is metal one, sturdy. This is a plastic one for those who are very scared of metal, and it also serves the same purpose, but the wire is a little smaller, little shorter, so maybe additional wire can be added if you don't have a switchboard which is closed. This is another type of foot pedal, and this comes with your electric sewing machine, and it mentions clearly how much, what is the model, controller, how much watt. This is 120 watt, 50 to 60 horsepower. So this is the one comes with your electronic sewing machine. If you have an automatic sewing machine, then simply plug this inside here and keep this on the bottom, on the floor. Then this is another wire. Just plug it inside and switch on the machine. Here your machine is on, and just press this foot pedal now. Generally the tailors press the foot pedal like this. You can hear the machine, but due to convenience I like to press the foot pedal like this, because this way I can control the speed better. I can do it slightly. See, the pressure you put on the foot pedal, your machine accordingly gets the speed, and the way you use the foot pedal would be same whether you use it on a industrial machine or an electronic machine. Whatever electric machine you have or you use, the method would be same. For the beginners, I have this tip that initially you must press it very slightly. If you keep pressing it like this, your machine runs very fast. When I press slowly, I can control the speed of the sewing or stitching at my convenience. So if I'm a beginner, it is easier for me to control the sewing speed or stitching speed. But if I press it hard this way, or I keep pressing, then machine runs very fast and it gets difficult. You can choose what speed you want your machine to be. So this is how this machine looks, and this is your electronic machine. Whether you have Usha Dream Stitch or Singer or Brother or any other stitching machine, this will be the mechanism to use a foot paddle. In case your foot paddle is not working, or you want a replacement, or you want a new piece, you can contact the company directly or buy online. Now I show you my full shuttle industrial sewing machine, that is also called umbrella sewing machine. It is this a local made sewing machine, but it is very sturdy and it is working with me for about 20 years and it served me really well. So this is the foot paddle I'm using. This is this metal one. There is a gap here on the paddle and it looks somewhat like your car accelerator or a brake. This is a treadle table, so it has a wheel and I can operate the machine even when there is no electricity, and this can be operated using the foot like this, right? So this your foot paddle, the wire goes here, see, it is fixed here, goes till here, and then this another wire goes up till here and it comes up. This wire goes up in the machine, this motor, right? This is the motor, 500cc motor. If you have a treadle machine, you can get an additional motor and get it fixed here. It can be fixed using a screw. You can do it at home yourself, or you can get it fixed from a mechanic. Another wire of this foot paddle goes inside this multi-plug. A reason being, the wire is shorter and the socket is far. So in this socket, the white wire that goes up here till the power supply, right? That black one is my electronic or zigzag machine wire. The white one is 3-pin plug wire. I switch it on and now I show you how to operate it. The same mechanism goes here as well. So when I press it, the machine moves. You just hear the music of the machine. I press it lightly, right? If I press it hard, it is light, and it is not really hard that I am pressing it. Now I show you the real danger of not understanding the speed of a machine and how to control it. The mistake that the beginners do, they just press the foot paddle and the machine goes very fast like this. This is an industrial sewing machine, as I told you earlier, and it is a speed monster. It means that it works really fast. So whether you work on this machine or any other electric sewing machine, be comfortable with your machine and use some precaution. Initially, while you are working on a sewing machine, your fingers should be away from the needle, right? Even if you are explaining the way I am explaining anything, the hands should be away from the needle, the feet should be away from the foot paddle. So always keep a piece of fabric under your foot so that the feeder dog does not accumulate dust. Keep one hand on the hand wheel, move it down, slightly press the foot, and your hand still on the wheel, and then slightly work with your machine. Be very careful. In the beginning, you have to practice with your hands away from the needle, one hand on the wheel, and this way you will be able to stitch and gain practice over your machine. If there is any doubt related to any of the foot paddle or the sewing machine, this one, the electronic one, or the Usha Genome, or any other machine, you can ask me in the comment section. You can follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Take care. Have a very nice time. Enjoy your machines. Be careful with the speed. Take care. Goodbye.